Sopraseal Lm products are liquid applied materials for wall systems. The Sopraseal product 202 VP is our vapor permeable material, and 203 is our non-permeable material. We chose the 202 VP and the 203 Sopraseal product line because it was an element of our portfolio that we felt satisfied a niche in the market. Thin gauge materials are very popular, they're easy to install. That was a direction we wanted to go and basically rounding out our portfolio of sheets and liquid products. The labor is the largest portion of the equation in installation. So if you can speed the installation up, being the fact that it's a thin gauge material, that lends to cost savings throughout the project. So when installing the Sopraseal Lm 202 VP or the 203 VP, the installation instructions they're very similar. When installing window openings, there's a couple ways you can do it. You can wrap it into the opening. You can actually take the mesh and wrap the opening. We're going to show you both ways today. We're going to use our Sopraseal 1100T as well as our Sopraseal Lm, and then we're also going to incorporate the actual liquid into the opening to show you a couple different methods of installation. The next step would be pre-treat the joints of the sheathing with a skim coat of the actual material. Once that's concluded, then you would embed the mesh into the skim coat that you've established. The next step would be taking the gun and spraying the field of the membrane and then covering those areas in which you've already installed the mesh to create that monolithic membrane. Inside and outside corners are detailed very similar. You would do a skim coat, you would put the mesh into the in and outside corners, and again, spraying the material as you go, and then covering those areas that you pre-treated prior to the actual application of the membrane is the most effective way to do it. As you can see, the minimal steps that are involved, it's very easy to install. We've tried to make it as easy as possible for the contractor, and we think we've accomplished that. Soprema is unique in the fact that we are a building envelope manufacturer. We manufacture waterproofing, roofing, wall system materials. The intersections of those materials is very critical. That's probably the biggest thing that we bring to the table from a manufacturing standpoint, is we have all this figured out. For more information on our Sopraseal Lm 202 VP and our 203, as well as our other comprehensive product offerings, visit soprema.us.